5 tips for learning English. Speak English every day. Try to speak English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Consistent practice will help you become more comfortable and confident in using the language. Immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English movies, listen to English music, and try to engage in conversations with native speakers. Next tip is expand your vocabulary. Learn new words daily and use them in sentences. Flashcards, vocabulary app, and my channel can be very helpful in building your vocabulary. Make sure to subscribe. Read a variety of materials. Read books, newspapers, articles, and online content in English. Start with simpler texts and gradually move to more complex ones. This will improve your reading skills, vocabulary, and understanding of grammar in context. To help with this, we have a playlist, Read Aloud Stories, linked in the description box. Last tip is make mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve. The more you practice, the better you will get. And that's it for my 5 tips. Remember, learning a language is a journey. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and have fun with it. Alright? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!